Like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, what's up? This is Orange Tag over here with another video. But today we are gonna be playing Minecraft with my friends. There's Green Dagger and then there's Agastya who's Evil Pro who also has a YouTube channel. And standing in me is Adit. Adit, get out of my body, please. You're very stinky. Yeah. Okay.
Stop crouching.
Ow.
Stop crouching.
Stop crouching. Adit, stop crouching, please. Okay, he's not crouching. Okay, guys, so let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so you saw as I was with my friends, now we are gonna be playing. We are gonna start. Actually, it already started. Ow. Are you kidding me? Agastya Surve. Evil Pro, what are you doing? Oh, crap.
Wait, what? You have a power 5 bow?
Oh. This.
So guys, I'm gonna start making my sky base. Yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do in this full video. Making a sky base.
Yes. I'm getting Agastya. I'm getting Agastya.
What are you doing? This is supposed to be sky base walls, you dummies.
Agastya forgot to bring a shield. That's your loss. Ow. Ken.
This is sky base walls. They're supposed to sky base, you dummies. Oh. How did you get me? I forgot to equip my shield. That's how you got me.
Agastya. Stop it. Stop it. Ah.
Guys are not yet out of my render distance. So I'm gonna kill you both.
Oh man, this feels safe. Oh no, it doesn't feel safe. Oh. Agastya, nice. Don't worry, Ken. Ken, you're up here, okay?
No, you're not allowed to focus on me. Nope. Oh, what? How are you shooting me, you cheaters? You're a cheater. Oh yeah, I forgot to say these are teams.
Hey, give everybody a pickaxe.
Adit,
No.
you're worried about a pickaxe.
This is a team match, by the way. It's Agastya and me versus Jordan and Adit. Yeah, I didn't tell you this is a team match.
Let's see if I can get anyone.
Agastya, we are in a team. Okay, come up if you can.
Wait, we both on a team, Ken?
Yes. Jordan and Adit are the teams. Are in one team.
Yeah. So what?
Come, I sent a water stream down.
Oh, I'm getting the combos, I'm getting the combos on Jolly right now. Oh, I'm in trouble.
What's up, Jordy?
Patch doesn't disable the shields or what? Yeah, it does. It's only in Java, I guess. Then Jordan is coming towards you. I'm gonna try to stop this.
Ah!
Jordan, one.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Jordan's dead. Go to creative and spectators now. But we have 3 rounds, by the way.
Okay, so guys, I have died.
Oh wait, what? Wait, where did my water go? Oh, there it is.
And so now I'm gonna.
Jordan, go to creative. Okay.
Now
You're spectating the match.
I'm spectating the match. I'm gonna check out on my buddy Adit. Adit?
Oh yeah, you can repeat him if you want.
Oh man.
Okay, yeah. Now
Adit.
if you're not above 1 minute. I forgot to turn on coordinates. I'm such a forgetful dummy. Guys, comment down below. I'm a forgetful.
Thanks for saying that, bro.
If you're not above y coordinate 100 in the
Hey.
next about what?
What?
If you have to be above coordinate 100
have to be above the coordinate of 100. I'm not getting it.
So see at the side, at the top
Okay.
left of your screen, you'll see the coordinates. Now, the middle coordinate has to be above at least 50.
It has to be above 100. You're sure?
Above 50. Above 50. 50.
Okay, and Agastya is making his way on top. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Haven't you guys seen the distance?
Oh my, I'm dead.
And Ken fell.
I forgot to crouch. I'm so dumb.
Ken, now you have to come in spectator mode with me. It's 1v1. Now it's a 1v1. Adit, you versus Agastya. Adit, you can do this. You can do this, Adit.
I hope this is the correct place.
I'm just gonna remove everything.
Who is that giving that sick shot?
Adit, come over here. Oh my god.
Agastya gets a respawn. I mistakenly vacuumed.
No. Agastya died. Agastya died because Ken knocked him off. So Agastya gets a respawn. Agastya, you're a very lucky man, I must say.
By mistake.
Agastya, it's just you versus Adit. Ken, remove your armor.
Pick up your water.
Ken, take your armor off. See, I'm just spectating like that.
Okay, I'm TPing Agastya, you to me.
Okay, Ken is gonna TP Agastya. I'm just gonna check out on my buddy Adit.
Oh. Somebody clip that. Somebody, if you're watching this, clip that, please.
Oh man.
Don't walk off. This is your area.
Please stop it. Stop teleporting.
And Agastya, what are you planning to do ahead now? Just gonna stand here? Just gonna stand here and lay eggs?
Eggs.
Are you just...
Pick up eggs from the topic, huh? This is not a video on eggs. This is battling and death.
Did he literally do that MLG again? Come on here. How does... Okay.
You cannot attack him while you're spectating, Jordan. No cheating.
I'm not attacking him. Where did I push him off?
Okay. I'm gonna start.
Adit is coming. Adit is coming for you.
Agastya, if you are not above Y level 50 in the next about 1 minute, I'm gonna do slash kill Eagle Pro. Go up. Keep going up. Keep going up.
Adit, it's a wrong... Yeah, nice. Adit recognized that just now. Okay.
The middle coordinate has to go to above 50.
Okay, he's above 50. He's above 50. Oh man, he's gonna get such a good aim. Oh man, Agastya is attacking. Agastya is
There is
attacking.
50 seconds left. Keep going up. Keep going up.
Oh man, will Agastya do this in another 50 seconds? Okay. Oh man, and Adit is trying to hit him off, so he doesn't get
Keep
on
up your
top.
shield. Keep up your shield. Keep up your shield and go. Keep up your shield.
Oh no.
Did he land that?
Okay.
Okay.
Agastya, you have 30 seconds now. You have 30 seconds.
August, you have to kill him. You have to kill him. There's no way he can get you.
Okay, we have 30 seconds now.
He's dead.
Oh, he's
Agastya is
climbing
dead.
fast.
Don't worry.
Go, keep going, keep going. Keep going. What is wrong with you? Go.
Agastya, you have another 20 seconds. Oh no. Oh. Yes, Adit, our team won. Adit.
Other than them one. Okay, next round.
Next round, Adit jumps.
I did an MLG, don't worry.
Okay. And so,
So Adit won.
Adit has won the first round. Congratulations, Adit, for
So
that.
Jordan and Adit win.
Yes.
Oh.
But all the credit goes to Adit because he only
Okay,
did
everybody
everything.
now you can get an extra set of armor.
No, my armor is not full. Yeah.
Yeah, get an extra set
Okay,
of
getting
armor.
an extra set of armor, boys. Okay, how do you exchange? Guys, 1 minute. Okay, guys, so we are back, and for round 2, we are all refreshed and all. Oh man, I have to make my personal game on default.
And we need to go changing around here. Okay, so now next whoever goes to, we have to get to Y coordinate about 50 or 60.
Yes, everybody has to get into Y coordinate.
2, 1, go. It's still the same teams. Evil Crow and I versus the Adit King and Orange Dragon.
Oh,
Run away again.
Agastya, you're on my team.
Forget about the design.
Agastya, it's me. Stop.
How much time?
is Agastya literally killing you, Ken?
Yes, it's trying to kill me. Agastya, we're on the same team.
How much? About 60, right?
Agastya, that is me you're shooting at.
What?
Agastya is shooting at me.
Can not now.
Okay, this is going to be our sky base.
Guys, what coordinate to go? What coordinate we have to go?
Okay, I'm at 56. So we have to keep going up. Stop shooting me.
Or that's a part of the plan, right? Or that's allowed, right?
No, we are both in one team.
Oh, we are both in one team? Oh, sorry, Ken, I'm so sorry.
Okay, that
I thought we
is...
are all different.
Somebody needs to click that.
I will have insane energy and fame button.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh crap! Yeah. Oh.
He's not really like last time, huh?
Never miss my shots, brother. I never miss my shots. Ooh. The shield is protecting
Oh.
you.
I got Ken.
How?
I got Ken. I hit Ken.
Okay. Can somebody see? Go back in the video and check. Did you just shoot me through a wall?
Where is Jordan?
No, I clearly did not shoot you to a wall.
Okay. On my screen, and you shot me through the wall.
Okay, Ken, you're in spectator mode, and don't you dare come and push me off this, because I will die. Okay, that's. Oh man, Agastya did an MLG. I shot him, but he got an MLG. How is he so good at?
Energy, Jordan. You can never, ever make me for your energy, which Adit did surprisingly because I was so scared.
Yes.
See this dummy. Look at him. Just look at this guy. What is he doing?
Get lost, buddy. Not you. Get lost. Hey, stop it. You are
Get snowballed.
Hey, green dagger. You are disqualified.
He's
Get
spectating.
snowballed. Okay, I'm gonna stop bullying Adit.
Agastya, come out, wherever you are. Okay, guys. So now,
Guys, I'm gonna shoot you in between the eyes. Under you, Adit behind you. There's a hole in the ground, Adit.
Get lost. I said get lost. I'm here. Oh my god, yeah.
Okay,
Green dagger. Green dagger. You're not gonna get to it.
there was a hole in his tower and he fell through the hole.
No.
We won.
Hey, no, oh yeah. Hey, but you killed him, na?
No, he had a hole in his floor. He walked through the hole and he fell down.
Okay, and
That was the stupidest thing
Not
ever.
bad. I'm not bad, bro. Cheating.
Okay, fine. Agastya gets, Adit gets a respawn.
Adit, you get a respawn, Adit. Okay, I'm just gonna put my game mode into creative. I'm gonna spectate.
Yeah, because he cheated. Because your teammate cheated. He broke a hole. He made a hole over here.
I didn't make the hole. It was there from first.
Oh, Agastya was here, so he hit me. And I was.
I came to game mode survivor.
And Adit, oh man, okay. Ken, you're breaking. Okay, Ken is breaking my tower. Let me join you, buddy. Let me join you.
I know Ken is the one who is doing all that. He literally broke my tower.
Breaking.
I'm literally shooting randomly.
Whoa.
But Arvind, where even are you? Oh, you're there, right? Yeah, I'm coming, Arvind, don't worry.
One block. Bam.
You're gonna have a good time with my bow and arrow. Power 5.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna inspire Adit again. Ken, don't you go towards him. You're gonna drop him towards the same hole. If you drop him towards the same hole now, again he's not dead, huh?
Okay, I'm gonna refill the hole if he hasn't put it yet.
Oh my god, I saw arrow.
Okay.
I saw arrow going right.
Adit, look towards me. Adit,
Arrow?
hold the shield and look towards me. See,
Okay, and let
I want
me.
to do this in survival. I want to do this in survival.
Ooh. Agastya, you are very safe because he's just on
Hit
level
me.
60.
Are you down or are you up? I don't get it.
Okay, wait, I'll just set the time. No, wait, the weather to clear.
I died.
Ken, why?
Yay! I like this water bucket. I'm gonna post a story next. And
Okay,
show
Adit
you
is
guys
quite
I can
safe.
do An MLG water bucket at 3 blocks 720.
Oh man. Adit, if you just get one shot now, Agastya will be dead from two. Actually, one thing. Actually, both things he can be dead or he can survive. First is that he will die, or if he doesn't do the MLG. And the second thing is he won't be able. I don't know. In time,
What are you doing?
if he can come up to something.
Agastya, why don't you make a wall? So he can't shoot you. Stop.
Gosh. Ken, what am I doing?
I know I'm gonna drop him off.
I'm looking at him. I'm literally looking at him. I'm looking at how he is doing and I'm looking at how Adit is doing. Oh man.
Arvind, I can't
Suck.
even see you. How are you shooting me? Hey, who did that green that your teammate is trying to kill me? It's not fair. I'm again taking game mode.
Sup.
Are you kidding me? Ken.
Hitting him.
Ken, don't do it. Don't do it, Ken.
Until then, I'll make it.
It's cheating. Don't do it, please.
Sup, Adit. See ya. Oh god.
Ken,
So funny.
you can't do your ML. Okay, but let me also try. Let me try.
I can't do an MLG. I can do a 360 and you're saying
Hey,
I can't
Adit.
do an MLG.
Hey Adit,
Are you
and
saying
see
I can't do an MLG? Adit. I want to see if you can do an MLG.
I didn't do an MLG. Okay, okay. How do I get up there again? Okay, yeah, I have to teleport to Adit now. Hello there.
My blocks. Teammate is cheating. If he does this one more time, I'll consider you dead.
Okay.
No, that's not my fault.
Ken, don't. Ken.
No!
You did it.
Can't see Agastya.
You did it. Ken did the MLG. Ken, keep the water down. Ken, keep the water down. Ken, keep the water
Clip
down.
that. Someone damn clip that.
I clipped that.
Nobody clips that.
I saw that.
Gosh, this is insane. I did it. Finally.
Ow. Adit, stop killing your own teammate who's come to school.
I'm not there yet.
Last teleport to Green Dragon.
Why am I can't.
Stop shooting me.
Stop coming. Guys, I'm out of blocks. Oh my god.
Hello guys. Welcome to.
Guys, I'm out of blocks. I have 2 blocks. And I'm out of blocks.
Agastya, that's your fault. Wait, where's my water? Yes, my water. I'll be saved by my water.
I'm out of blocks and I can't even see others. Like impossible.
Hello there.
Wait,
No, teleport. Ken, how do you do the MLG? Please tell
You
me.
have to time it right. You have to time it right.
why are you coming in front of my
We are practicing MLGs, man. Don't you know that?
No, he keeps shooting me off. Clutch. Another clutch.
Okay, I'm gonna
Why does he keep shooting me off? This guy is very annoying.
Stop coming to me. I swear to you. Die. Jordan died.
Thanks,
I
Ken.
just did a 370.
Wait, what? I'm not getting it. 370 degrees.
Somebody click that.
You literally hit me.
I'm not even joking anymore.
I saw my shield.
What was that?
Okay, I'm going to spectate on Adit and Agastya. Agastya, Adit, where are you? Oh, Agastya has come so close to Adit.
If this goes up,
Jordan, can you please give me some blocks? I'm really
No, Agastya, that's your loss. You can't.
somebody please click what I just did.
Oh, okay,
I
Ken.
spun around and I
Ken spun around and did an MLG, which is the coolest thing according to him.
a 720 to be specific.
was right next to me.
Adit, how does Adit build such a nice base, man? Ken, no more dropping him down. Ken, what are
I'm
you?
just breaking the extra thing that looks ugly. That's what I'm doing.
Well, I'm gonna place them. Yeah.
Donate blocks to Agastya.
Sup?
Speaking of my blocks. Please give me some blocks. They're really boring. Hey, Jordan. Give Agastya
Boring,
some blocks.
huh? Boring, you say, huh? Okay, last two. Okay, you have to build to 100 to y coordinate 100 to higher coordinate 100 or you're dead. 100, Agastya, 100.
Agastya 100.
I'm at 100.
No, at y level.
The Y level.
Oh, I'm at 70. I'm at
Oh, Adit heard that and he's on his way, man. Just look at that.
This is where Agastya has to reach. If he makes it, he is basically not dead.
Yeah, he made it.
100. I'm at 100.
Nice. Now I'm gonna throw some snowballs at Ken if I can.
Don't, it'll go through me and hit Agastya.
Okay, then I'm gonna throw from here.
Adit is going. Adit is on his way. Okay, Adit.
Yay! It's raining snowballs.
Wait,
Woohoo!
it's already 5:10. I have tuition at 5:30. I want to end this quick.
Adit and Ken, what are you doing? Ken, what is this?
I can't cheat. I'm not cheating. My teammate is literally taking my blocks.
I didn't do that. I'm breaking the blocks underneath the what is already built. This is just getting ugly. It looks like a not. It's not good. Okay, I don't want
The
to.
block which I was on. He cheated. Bro, now you're breaking my entire build.
What? Did somebody die?
You killed me. Then what do you expect me to do?
Would you seriously do this?
I'll come to see man with the
Well, I can fix that by. Okay, yeah, you already fixed that.
somebody changed my keyboard to survival.
I'm gonna break it.
Dot L. Agastya is gonna win this.
Chalo, I'm going up to spectate. Can you also?
Dot L. L. You're a dot L.
I'm not daughter. Okay, wait. Where is Adit now?
Come in the tower again, buddy. Wait. I just want to change my game mode. Just a sec.
Agastya's.
I mistakenly did that. I keep.
Agastya, just step till here. Look. Step till here. It's very nice.
What happened? Oh, this is something. No, that's gonna be a trap. Yes, that's gonna be a trap.
Ken, look at him. Ken.
Agastya, keep running. Run around the bridge. Run around the bridge before Jordan kills you.
Thanks, Ken. Ken is actually helping me. Thank you, buddy. Actually, oh my god. No, listen.
Ooh.
Where are you, Agastya? I can't see you. Then where even are you? I can't see you.
Stop.
Ken?
I'm helping you. Jordan's trying to kill you.
I'm not trying. I'm making. I'm having fun. This is so much of fun. Like just break the block.
Agastya, what are you doing?
Agastya, what is wrong with you? You can't stay in the air with a dirt block. No problem.
Where is Agastya?
Agastya, should I break the block which you are standing on?
Oh, he left.
He
Agastya
left.
just left the game. Straight up. Straight up was like,
Agastya, are you there? Agastya, are you there? Agastya, are you there?
Agastya, are you there? Oh, he's reconnecting. He has a network issue. Disconnected from server. Great.
Even Ken, I'm gonna use your this thing.
Wait, why did I get disconnected from the server again? Did Ken leave the game? Disconnect now.
What?
You're gonna die.
Oh, guys, 1 minute. Okay, guys. So because of some reason, Agastya is the winner, and means like Ken and Agastya's team is the winning team for the second round. Adit, don't worry, don't cry like that, man. We won the first round. So and MLG time, Agastya fell from a high place. Nice. Okay, guys. So please
One job.
like and please subscribe, and see you next time.